Assalamu alaikum. I'm Jamal from Adib 360. In this video, you will learn how to create open envelope animation effect in PowerPoint. In my last video, I showed animated handwriting text video on PowerPoint, and this is my second tutorial video on PowerPoint. As I promises that I will bring more PowerPoint tutorial videos for effective and useful presentation. The beautiful open envelope animation effect you will learn today look like this. As you can see, we have an envelope. On a click, the envelope opens like this and the card comes out. And you can have your messages here, and it's good if you use handwriting font. Let us learn how create a simple and useful effect from PowerPoint. The first step is to go to Auto Shapes Gallery and pick up the rectangle tools and have rectangle shapes that match your envelope. Then let us go to Shapes Outline, click No Outline, and then choose a darker color, maybe something like this color. The next step is to write the card which you got your messages. Let me go to Auto Shapes Gallery again and take rectangle and draw the shapes, and make sure the sizes of the rectangle is slightly smaller than the envelope, which is naturally. Then let us remove outline and choose the brighter color which is contrast with the background here. Now let us go home and Auto Shapes Gallery and pick up the text box and write something like I would like to write: success is not final, failure is not mortal, it is the bravery to continue. Great job, Adib 360. Whatever you want to write, it good enough. Now let me select handwriting font, and the one I am going to use, its name Jana So. This is a handwriting font I got from the net and it's free. So click on that, and this is how the text look like. Let me adjust the text in the card, and I am going to take little up, so once it is pop up and audience can easily read. Now the card and the text select together and press Ctrl+Z to group them. So now we got our card with text and we have got background. Now let us try to create the flap to create the envelope. Let us go to Auto Shapes Gallery and select Isosceles Triangle, and let us go to Arrange, Rotate, and rotate right 90 degree. And I am going to place it over here, and I am going to adjust the height with the background, and let us extend this somewhere closer to the center. Then make copy of this, pressing Ctrl+D. Then again arrange, rotate, and flip horizontal. Then make copy of this, pressing Ctrl+D. And let us go to arrange, rotate, and rotate right 90 degree. Then make copy of this, pressing Ctrl+D. Then again arrange, rotate, and flip vertical. Again I need to make a copy of this part, and then arrange, rotate, and flip vertical. And adjust here. and this time we need to match the color with the background color the earlier we choose. If you remember, this is the color we chose earlier. Go to shapes outline and say no outline. Now our basics envelope shapes are in place and it's time for us to use custom animation. The first things I am going to do is to go to animation and keep the animation fan open so you can see what I am doing. For this piece we are going to use the exit animation. Let us go animation options and let's choose more exit effect. The exit effect I want to use, it's called collapse and it is under moderate, so click on this and say OK. From effect options, that collapse is going to happen to top, so that is how the effects happen. Let us select this one, go to animation and this time I am going to use an entrance effect. Go to more entrance effect and the one we want, that's called stretch, that is available here in moderate, and let us go to stretch and say OK. And from effects options, say from bottom, and we need to have this happening after previous. So the OA animation would looks now is like this. Can you see it's opening up? The next step is to pull out the card. Now the card obviously is not visible to you. So we need to go to home, go to select and open the selection fan here so you can see everything's here. And let us click on this flap and you can see now the flap name is here. Let us click on the eye icon here and therefore now it's not visible flap and you can see the card. Let us select the card and apply the motion path so that card can pops up. Let us go to animations, go to the motions path animations and effect options. We are going to use off. So this comes out. Yeah, that exactly the way I want. And we need to have this flap send back. So select this flap and right click on your mouse and say send back. Now we have completed all the animations and we need to have the previous flap back. So I am going to say show all options and now that flaps brings back. So now we need to have these animations happen after previous. So let us select that animations and let us say after previous. And now everything is complete. Let us go to the slideshow mode and see the beautiful things we have created right now. Very beautiful effect on a click, claps, stretch and motion path animations means card comes out. You can use these beautiful effects for surprise announcement on your business presentation. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please make a comments and what you want to see on next tutorial, please write. And if you are first time on my channel, please subscribe my channel and push the bell button for my new video notification. Thank you.